then you vomit all over the place.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This planet is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck! You got it.
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have you done?
What have we done? I think we jumped back.
All the way.
The Big Bang!
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator! Rich! Oh yeah? We'll see about that. Rocket?
Yes, Bob.
We did that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Okay. Let me try this. You made it, shut up. Come on. I hate buildings. Will, we're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Velveteen, leak your star blasters. We have them contained, but not for long.
Nobody's perfect.
Lucky coordinates for F-code.
It's F. Who names these things? You're all heroes.
So, do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? And do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the